We already tried video and it didn't work. This is a terrible excuse to not give it a go on another video marketing experiment. Video is the most consumed form of media on the internet. It's 80% of all internet traffic. And you're telling me that your ideal customer, your ideal buyer, isn't watching video online? That would make them the biggest of big outliers. And if you're a basic service provider, if you're operating in the market, this has even permeated LinkedIn, let alone YouTube and Google search. If you have struggled or failed with video in the past, a couple things likely happened. Number one, you went in not knowing where your video was supposed to work, who it was supposed to speak to, and how to do that effectively. We make sure everyone who comes into Piper has a really clear idea of who their ideal audience member would be for a video. That is basically your ideal client, your ideal customer. We then make sure that we know where this is being deployed. Are we putting it out on all social media? Are we putting it on the website? Is it going to be in a newsletter? Is it going to be sent to existing customers pursuing an upsell? There are very different strategies from how a video is written to how a video is edited that are informed by where someone is going to see it. And then finally, if you don't have a distribution strategy for the video that you're producing, you're gonna end up wasting a lot of money. You think you can just pick up your phone, press publish, put it up on TikTok, and then go get 10,000 customers. That's not how the world works for 99.9% of businesses. But if you have an idea for how that thing's going to be published on YouTube, how it is going to be delivered to an email list or as part of an ad campaign, knowing that up front greatly increases the likelihood that your videos are going to perform and accomplish the goal that you have. This is the biggest trend in marketing. I know everyone talks about AI or SEO or these other things. It's video. Video is the difference between the businesses that get seen and those that do not. If you'd like to understand how your business can get seen by your ideal client with video, reach out to us at pipercreative.co.